In this video, I'll show you how to enable spell check in Microsoft Teams on your computer. Spell check is a helpful feature that catches typos and spelling mistakes while you type, making your messages look more professional and easier to understand. If you send a lot of chats or channel messages in Teams, turning on spell check can save you time and prevent simple errors. Let's go through the steps. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you're signed in. Once Teams is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click three-dot beside on your profile picture or initials. From the menu, select Settings. This will open the main settings window where you can customize how Teams works for you. In the Settings menu on the left, click on General. Scroll down until you find the Language section. Here, you'll see options related to spelling and language preferences. Make sure the spell check option is turned on. You can also confirm that the correct language is selected, since spell check works based on your chosen language. Once spell check is enabled, Microsoft Teams will automatically underline misspelled words as you type in chats and channels. You can right-click on the underlined word to see spelling suggestions and quickly correct it. If you're using Microsoft Teams in a web browser, spell check may also depend on your browser's settings. In that case, ensure spell check is enabled in your browser for the best results. And that's it. You've successfully enabled spell check in Microsoft Teams on your computer, helping you write clearer and more accurate messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.